Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you are watching VoodooDE VR. This is another VR accessorized video for the Oculus Quest 2 from VR Cover. So I got a lot of stuff. You see that here on my couch. I already prepared everything. We have the head strap foam for the old strap. Then we have hygiene covers, lens cover, silicone cover in different colors and a facial interface with 2 leather foams. I will show how to mount that and how good is it and what does it cost. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel thanks to my sponsors Woodghost VR, Opperman Events, Peter Wasmer, Andy DeFelzer, VR Ambassador, Virtual Escape and Adams Group. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay, then let's check out all the stuff. So what we got here is the silicone cover. I already presented this to you in another video, but now I got different colors. So this is the magenta one, as you can see here. That looks interesting, right? And then we have 2 others. So this is the blue one and this is the red one. Yeah, so 2 different, and there's also the gray one that I showed you in the last video. And for me, this is the most interesting one because it's very comfortable and you don't see light leakage here. There's no light coming from the bottom here. And for me, this is still best. And you can get 1 silicone cover for €14. Then there's another thing, a lens cover. So you can cover the lenses of the Oculus Quest 2 here to protect the lenses when you don't use the headset against sunlight or dirt or whatever. And this thing costs €9. For me, this is a little bit much for only this stuff here, to be honest. But yeah, it's your decision, of course. Then the next thing is, I'm so sorry, I cannot show it how to mount that because I don't find my old strap anymore. Holy shit, I have the Elite strap here. So there is the head strap foam replacement. And this is for the original Quest strap and you will put it here. Yeah, on the original strap, and this feels very comfortable. It's leather material. Sorry that I can't show it to you. I just lost the original strap. Holy shit. And this thing here costs €19, and I think this is a little bit too much for just this thing here. It's comfortable, but it's €19. I think I would not buy this, to be honest. It's just too expensive. However, if you want to make your original Quest 2 strap more comfortable, perhaps this is something for you. And then the last one is the facial interface with leather straps. So you remove that thing here, the original one, and then you will place that thing here. Sorry, I just want to show you how that works here. Just put that comes within the set and put it here. You see that? It's red. And then you get 2 of the leather foams here. Place them here. Holy shit. Here and here and here. Sorry, that was not correct. Wow, that's sticky, 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 sticky. Yeah, that's how it looks. Nice, right? And then place it on your head. So, and for me, I think it's comfortable, it's leather, but for me, there's a lot of light leakage from the bottom here, and I don't like that. I don't like that. While I play, I always see the ground here, and I even see my hands here. And I can place it however I want, and it just doesn't work for me. So, of course, it depends on your head shape, but here the light, even when I put the stuff here in front, like this, I still see the bottom here, and that's not good. But of course, it's your decision. You have to see if that is something for you. Perhaps you don't mind if there comes some light inside, but however, I told you. So the set from the facial interface and the 2 leather foams is 29 euro. And now there is another thing. I can remove that again. So you see that there is the Hygiene cover, and that looks like this here. You see that, and that's for one-time use for VR arcades, or if you want to play with a lot of friends. It's only for one-time use. So you play with it and then you throw it away. How does that work? Just rip the sticky stuff off and then put it on the leather foam, like you see that here. Yeah, see that here? It's just here, and then put it here again. Holy shit! It's so sticky. If you did that wrong, so crazy. Here you go. You see that? That's the Hygiene cover. It's a really good idea for arcades or stuff. And you can buy a set of 50 of these covers for 17 euro. And I think, yeah, that's pretty fine. There is no other stuff for now for the Oculus Quest 2 that you can just stick to this stuff. So yeah, the head strap foam is 19 euro, as I said. Then we have the Hygiene covers, 50 of them, 17 euros. Then the lens cover is 9 euro. Then the silicone cover, that's this one here. You can get one for 14 euro. And then the facial interface with the two leather foams, 29 bucks. So for me, still the silicone cover is the best one. So, but of course it depends on your favorite material and on your shape of the nose and whatever. For me, this is still the best one. So if you want to buy it, go via the link in the description below. You can support me a little bit. That would be awesome. And yeah, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE